Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to settings right here. Tap on it. Now just go ahead and find it, date and time. If I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and use the search bar to find it easily. So just type down date and tap on a date and time. And in here, make sure that set automatically is toggled on. All right. So once it's toggled on, go ahead and go back again, cancel right here. Now scroll all the way down, tap on apps. Now just go ahead and find messages, tap on it. And then in here, okay, or once you're in here, go to control center, go to airplane mode, toggle on airplane mode. I'm not going to do it because I'm currently screen mirroring. Okay, so toggle this on. And once that's done, wait for about 5 seconds or 10 seconds, then turn it back off. After that, go back to iMessage right here, disable it, wait a bit, and then turn it back on. All right, so just wait for it until the waiting for activation right here proceeds. And as you can see here, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, Apple states it can take up to 24 hours for your carrier to verify your phone number. So if I were you, once you've tested out this method once, do not do it again. Just wait for about 24 hours, okay? As it will reset the activation timer. Also, if 24 hours have passed and nothing happens, you still got the error right here, you can go ahead and contact your carrier to ensure your plan allows international SMS and that your line isn't blocking short codes. That is how you fix iMessage waiting for activation error. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.